Are you sick and tired of staring at a blank screen trying to write ads and sales pages that actually convert? What if you could take a competitor's winning campaign, paste a single link, and have AI rewrite it perfectly for your own product in just 3 clicks? Welcome to my CopyCat AI review. Honestly, my first impression of this tool is that it is a massive time saver. If you were struggling to get clicks or sales because your copy just falls flat, CopyCat AI completely removes the guesswork. It is not just another generic blank page AI writer, it actually reverse engineers what is already working in the market so you can launch proven campaigns today. So, what exactly is CopyCat AI and who is it for? It is a brand new cloud-based AI engine that clones successful Facebook ads, TikTok video scripts, long-form sales pages, and offer stacks. It's built specifically for affiliate marketers, product creators, and agency owners who do not want to pay thousands of dollars to professional copywriters or designers. If your biggest hurdle is knowing exactly what to say to make people pull out their credit cards and buy, this solves that problem instantly.